Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. I am not in my office right now, but I had to hop on my phone and record this really quickly just to say thank you. I reached a huge milestone today, one that I did not think was possible when I started this channel a few years ago. I officially have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I am totally blown away and excited by this. If you're watching this video, you are probably one of those subscribers, so I wanted to make sure I took a second to say thank you. Thank you for trusting me to be your teacher, to share my enthusiasm about all the cool things Squarespace can do. I truly appreciate your support and the fact that you continue to check in with me week after week to learn about the amazing things Squarespace has to offer. I am honored to be your teacher, and I can definitely promise you that this enthusiasm has a lot more tutorials to share. That came out really weird. Anyway, I just wanted to say thanks again so much for making this possible. I absolutely love sharing Squarespace tips, tricks, and resources with you. I've got a lot more content to share, and I wanted to thank you again from the bottom of my heart for making me feel so special reaching this huge milestone today. You are incredibly awesome, and thanks again for trusting me to be your teacher. I'm absolutely honored. But most importantly, friends, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now.